Welcome to Keysight Education Portal. Today, we will be discussing the buswire test for Keysight X1149. We will start by providing an overview of buswire test. Buswire test is an extension to the interconnect test. As we learned previously, interconnect test checks for any structural defects on the node. While it may seem like interconnect test only has one driver and one receiver on a node, it is noted that chips may have multiple drivers on the same node. Interconnect test, to optimize, typically tests only one driver to detect the issues on the node. This may leave some gap in test coverage on the other driver cell. In buswire test, it tests all the drivers by enabling one of the drivers and disabling the rest. Testing will then take place between one driver and one or more receiver. It will repeat this process until all the drivers are being tested. Now, we will generate test for the buswire test. After identifying the process outline, select Generation followed by Tests. Ensure that you select the buswire test and select Generate/Compile. After highlighting the buswire test under the test list, click on Run. If all goes well, the test result will reflect a pass. Now, let's move on to discuss the Debug Output panel. Under U1 U5 buswire tab, select Node List. You will be able to identify the pins allocation here. Under the Debug Output panel, select Frame Debugger followed by only frame cells. From this table, you can identify the cell type. Specifically, both receivers and drivers in this case. Under the header, Expected/Actual, you can see that the driver is either being enabled by 1 or disabled at ZZ. Unlike interconnect test which only reflect on driver instead of all the drivers, buswire test is able to conduct a more advanced interconnect test.